Back here in Lagos, the Special Offences Court has sentenced the embattled Nollywood actor Olanrewaju James, popularly called Baba Ijesha, to 5 years in prison for 4 counts of sexual assault and indecent treatment of a child. The stipulated punishment for the offences ranges from 3 to 7 years under the state's criminal laws of 2015, and this of course goes for each count, which when totaled would have amounted to 16 years if calculated consecutively. But Justice Oluwatoye Taiwo ordered that the sentencing should run concurrently. This means that instead of serving each sentence one after the other, he will serve all the sentences at once for 5 years. TVC News' Kemi Oladeyemo has more. The Lagos State government arraigned Baba Ijesha in June 2021 on a 6-count charge of defiling a minor between 2013 and 2014, as well as the indecent treatment of the child, sexual assault, and an attempted sexual assault by penetration of the same minor in 2021. The prosecution presented 6 witnesses, including the minor, comedian Damilola Adekoya, a.k.a. Princess, who is a foster mother, and 2 expert witnesses, while 4 witnesses, including the defendant and a psychologist, testified for the defense. On the earlier incident where he was said to have defiled the minor with his car key around 2013, the court said the evidence of the state was inconclusive as to whether the defendant was guilty, saying the medical examination of the victim done in 2021 showed a blunt penetration of her private part. But the court said the report didn't state who did it and with what instrument. The court said it was inclined to believe the state's expert witness who examined the minor as against the defense witness who admitted he never assessed her. On the CCTV recording of the 2021 incident, where Baba Ijesha was seen rubbing the minor's body and sucking her fingers, the court dismissed his argument that they were acting and called it an afterthought because he never mentioned it during police interrogation and was seen only apologizing. Though he retracted his confessional statement made during custody, the court relied on his demeanor in the recording, saying he attempted to arouse the child and not necessarily to have sex with her as alleged.
The court did very well by not convicting on that, because the event of 7 years ago, the purported defilement by use of key, so the court was of the position that no credible evidence was presented before the court to result in conviction.
If a celebrity can go to jail, we are coming for you, and anybody can go down for it. So this is a warning to all grown men and women. Some women molest boys, we are aware of that, and we have been on these issues for a long time. Let the world know that the long hands of the law can catch up with anyone.
Though the offences for which Baba Ijesha was found guilty of could have earned him a 16-year sentence if counted consecutively, the defense counsel asked the court for a lenient sentence, noting that he had aged parents and a young family and was a first-time offender. But the court noted that what Baba Ijesha did to the minor on about 2 occasions was appalling and that he abused his position. She sentenced him to 5 years in prison. The date is to start running from Thursday, July the 14th. Kemi Oladeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.